Rajya Sabha MP Sanajaoba has reaffirmed that culture of Manipur encompasses all cultures of every indigenous communities living in the state and is not confined to only Meitei culture. MP Sanajaoba said this while attending Cultural Cum Literary Meet 2024, which was organized by Manipur University of Culture at Auditorium of Manipur State Film Development Society today. Speaking further, MP Sanajaoba maintained that Manipur University of Culture is one of the 3 universities of cultures in India. Manipur excels in sports and culture. However, the culture of Meitei community alone cannot be considered as the culture of whole Manipur. Manipur's culture encompasses all indigenous communities in the state. Therefore, all communities need to make collective efforts in conserving our rich cultural heritage. Highlighting significance of Manipur culture and traditions, MP Sanajaoba said, government is making every effort to promote the cultural heritage of the state. It has acquired 110 acres of land at Imphal East District's Wakha for further development of Manipur University of Culture. Centre has also released funds for construction of the university. MP Sanajaoba further added that state government in a cabinet meeting has also decided to apprise Centre to upgrade Manipur University of Culture to a central university of culture. Vice Chancellor of Manipur University of Culture, Professor Pounam Gunindro, renowned filmmaker Aribam Sham Sharma, along with students of the university, attended the program.
I won't delay the Aduga, Jinbunga, Kudam, we have evidence labor. What my armor may quickly lay. I don't know. I couldn't have I could get the Hasi, civilization, so he listened and he has I can't put in the Ainu. Migina, Ladam Davasi, Lahalaga, Itihashem. Sahi Yakai, Itihase, Sahi Yakai Haptalaga, Samas Hangoli. I couldn't at Samas Hangambado, Katalaga Sahi Yakai. Tungda lakadaba mirolsina warulokad masi koi jacksonna mayamda lairamdabada ikona haijan si haibnate sinthi si haibnate ko yari bom kai masi patat kumsi ekoi gi manipur gi sankritan malem gi thapta ekoi huji UNESCO na intangible cultural heritage manunda chalhan biduna asobo phida makalliba 16 finance commission gi dugumba team mama mo chairman adit tawala padu state case hoina adu state dinner taroga cultural program to matamda ekoi gi ras lila putli makoi si angakpo moina ye Jagoi Dudana Krishna Sheliba, Gopi Singh Sheliba, dress. Masum Angak Pomoni, Ozapung Sing Pung Cholo, Makonaga Pung Sheraga, Chap Manana Koyet Lam for Pogigatodo, Acta Moidi, Karino Moina Kalgasat. Atay Daikona, Kara, Sotanasu, Culture Amasum, Equisana Konabudi, Manipur, Kigadam, late day and 900.